Good morning. Welcome to Buzzing with a Bee. As you can see, Annika's not here. She's on vacation, so you get me, Scott. So I apologize for that right off the bat. And of course, we're not as well practiced as Annika. She's a professional, so you're getting the amateurs today. So, you know, the sidewalk sale starts tomorrow. And so Annika's going to have a ton of stuff to show you next week because after all that stuff goes out the door, we've got a bunch of stuff to bring out from the back. And so Annika will give you a great store tour next week with all the new stuff that's coming out. Also, Whatnot's canceled today because, again, Annika does that and she's on vacation. So tune into Whatnot next week to capture that. Our special announcement today is really special. So I think it was maybe 1978 that Mary Mulkey started the Quilting Bee. And then the second generation arrived with Jackie Wolf, and she did a wonderful job. And then Treasure and I carried on the third generation from Jackie. And it's been a great ride for us. Treasure and I just loved our time here. And the community that supports the Quilting Bee is just awesome, and the employees are awesome. And so it's been a great ride. But at a certain point, we all have to reach towards retirement and know when it's the right time. And so I felt that way about a year and a half ago when we started looking for the next generation for the Quilting Bee. And it took us a year and a half to do that because we're quite picky to find the right people to lead it into the future. And so we believe we've done that. And we found Sarah and Devin Kassan, and they're the right people for this. The staff has embraced them, and I think it's going to be a great ride into the future. Treasure and I aren't going anywhere. It's going to be a nice long transition. We really get along well with these guys and they with us. And so it's just been a wonderful journey that so far, and I know it's going to be a wonderful journey for all of you as well as they take us on into the future. So that said, here's Sarah and Devin. And there's Stupid Chicken. Stupid Chicken's been passed. Our baby has been passed over.
Thank you for Stupid Chicken. My name's Sarah and this is Devin. We're so glad you're tuning in this morning. And we're so excited to be the fourth generation of the Quilting Bee legacy. We can't even believe it. This is an amazing business. We're honored. We've had some time to spend with staff, and so great, welcomed us with open arms, and we know we're going to learn so much from them. You all are so lucky to have this much talented and smart staff, so that's amazing. And we're lucky to meet all of you. We're going to be here tomorrow through Saturday for the sidewalk sale, so don't forget about that. They were reminding me that new stuff will be added every day. So if you want to pop in every day or at the end, there will be new stuff every day. So come by, say hi, and check it out. But we're really excited. This is going to be great. Long transition, thankfully for us. And we're just really excited and can't wait to meet you.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.